Here are the best free LLM APIs you can use, ideal for developers, startups, or creators looking to build AI-powered tools without upfront costs. So first, let's deep dive into DeepSeek R1. It is one of the most powerful open source LLMs available, and it's free to use via their API. It rivals GPT-4 in reasoning and coding tasks, making it perfect for developers building chatbots, agents, or logic-heavy apps. The API is fast, supports long context windows, and is backed by a strong open source community. If you want GPT-4 level performance without the price tag, this is your go-to. Next is we have the Grok API, Llama 2, and Mixtral. Grok doesn't build its own model, it turbocharges existing ones. Their API runs Meta's Llama 2 and Mixtral's Mixtral model at blazing speeds, delivering response in milliseconds. It's ideal for real-time apps, customer support bots, or anything latency sensitive. The free tier gives generous access and the performance is unmatched. If speed is your bottleneck, Grok is the answer. Lastly is we have Cohere's API, specifically the command R+. This is optimized for retrieval augmented generation, or the RAG, making it perfect for search, summarization, and knowledge-based apps. The free tier includes generous token limits and supports multilingual input. It's especially strong in enterprise and document-heavy use cases. If you're building tools that need to look things up or summarize large text, Cohere is a top pick. If you're prototyping or scaling an AI product, start with DeepSeek for raw power, Grok for speed, and Cohere for retrieval tasks. All three offer free access, solid documentation, and real-world performance without locking you into expensive plans.